Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
In today's lecture, I'm delighted to take you back in time to explore the historical impact of the Silk Road. This ancient network of trade routes not only facilitated the exchange of goods but also acted as a bridge between civilizations, cultures, and ideas. The Silk Road, spanning from China to the Mediterranean, was instrumental in the trade of precious goods like silk, spices, tea, and gold. However, its significance extends beyond commerce. It was a conduit for cultural exchange, allowing for the movement of philosophies, religions, and even artistic styles across continents. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the development of the societies it connected. For example, the Silk Road facilitated the spread of Buddhism from India to East Asia and brought Chinese inventions like paper and gunpowder to the West. The legacy of the Silk Road is a testament to the power of connectivity and exchange.
In this lecture, I am thrilled to discuss the evolution of renewable energy and its critical role in shaping a sustainable future. Our journey towards renewable energy sources marks a significant shift in how we approach environmental sustainability and energy consumption. Renewable energy, derived from natural processes that are constantly replenished, includes solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power. Unlike fossil fuels, these energy sources emit little to no greenhouse gases, making them crucial in combating climate change. For example, solar panels convert sunlight into electricity without pollution, offering a clean alternative to traditional energy sources. The shift to renewable energy is not just an environmental imperative but also an economic opportunity. The renewable energy sector is rapidly growing, creating jobs, and driving technological innovation. It's a pathway to a more sustainable economy and energy independence. The evolution of renewable energy represents a pivotal moment in our history.
Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity and technological advancement. From peering into the stars with early telescopes to landing rovers on Mars, this journey illustrates our relentless pursuit to understand the cosmos. The story of space exploration began with early astronomers like Galileo, who used telescopes to observe celestial bodies. This marked the beginning of a new era in understanding our universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, ignited the space race, leading to remarkable milestones including the historic Apollo moon landing in 1969. In recent years, space exploration has entered a new frontier with missions to Mars. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been exploring the Martian surface, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. These rovers represent incredible feats of engineering and symbolize our ongoing quest to explore the unknown.
The often overlooked impact of urban green spaces on community well-being is yet significant. In our fast-paced urban lives, these natural havens play a vital role in enhancing our quality of life. Urban green spaces, like parks and gardens, provide essential breathing spaces amidst the concrete landscape. They are not just areas of aesthetic beauty but also crucial for mental and physical health. Studies have shown that regular exposure to green spaces reduces stress, improves mood, and encourages physical activity, all of which are vital for a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, these green areas foster community interaction and engagement. They act as social hubs where people of all ages can come together, promoting a sense of belonging and community spirit. This is particularly important in urban settings where isolation and anonymity can be prevalent. In conclusion, urban green spaces are more than just patches of nature in our cities.
In today's lecture, I would like to explore the interconnection between ecology and economics through the lens of ocean conservation. The health of our oceans is not just an ecological concern, it is intrinsically linked to the economic stability of communities worldwide. Sustainable fishing practices ensure the longevity of marine life, which in turn supports the livelihoods of millions who rely on the sea's bounty. Moreover, marine ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating our climate. By protecting our oceans, we are investing in natural capital that offers returns in the form of climate resilience, which is essential for economic planning and development. As we venture into our various fields of study, let us remember that the principles of conservation and economics are not adversaries but allies. It is in this synergy that solutions for a prosperous and sustainable future lie.